Welcome back to another episode of Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. I'm doing this like right after I did the last couple videos, so don't expect it to be funny. I mean, I wouldn't expect you to expect it to be funny ever in the first place, but where can I move? How do I move things? R. Alright, now let's go get this shotgun finally. Let's heal up first, too, so I don't immediately die. That did not heal me up enough. That is not bueno. Alright, then put the broken shotgun in there. Reload this bad boy. And go back to our knife. Wait, no. I don't remember where to go. Where do I go? Oh yeah, over here. I already looked at that, I'm pretty sure, and if I haven't, oh well. Alright. Let's see how well this shotgun does. And hope I don't die immediately. Ew. Locked from the other... Wait, do I have the key to unlock it from the other side? No, it's a key for a different thing. Oh, jeez. Oh, geez. Holy shit. That's right, you die, you turd burglar. Ah! Ooh, strong chem fluid. Key. Whew. Open the door. Ooh, key.
I was gonna be your father. Now she says he'll be her father. No. I'll find him.
And we'll make him suffer. Ooh. Alright, come on, come on. Alright. Make sure I'm loaded all the way on everything. Pull out my knife. My trusty knife. Ooh, more stuff. There we go. What the fuck? What the fook game? Oh, this part again. Well, again for me, not again for you guys.
That's a penis!
What the fuck? Yeah, poor deputy. What is that all? Ew. Ew. Alright, let's make sure I can make some stuff real fast. Strong first aid kit. That will be helpful, because I'm sure I will have some issues here in a minute. Aha! Let's check down here before we go battle Dingus. Gunpowder. Nothing else, nothing else. Can't get through that door yet. Alright. Nobody here. This should be easy. Finally. Ah!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, poopy pants.
You ain't getting away.
You want to bet? Oh. Ah!
Oh, big man got himself a gun. You know how to use that?
Ow! Oh, I'm out of ammo. I'm so stupid. Oh, that's not helping. Nope. Nope. No. Ow! Ow! Get off me! Ow! You laugh like a weirdo.
Groovy.
No, run! You massive idiot. Well, no shit. Let's go! Come on, don't you die! Oh. No, 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 you get back down. You fucking lay down. You stay down. There you go. Yeah, oh, for fucking hell. Holy shit and a half. That was, there we go. That was not, I don't know. I did not expect to make it through that. The first time I did that, it was much easier than it was this time, and I don't know why. Oh boy. Alright. Let's find a save spot. Ooh, why didn't I look in here? I bet there's... Yeah, shotgun shells, of course. That would have helped. Alright. Let's go put that dog head on there. Did I never get into the workshop? But there's stuff in there I could use, and I'm too stupid. I never went through this door, did I? Oh, it's locked from the other side there, too. Okay. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and call it on this episode. Go ahead and save. Thank you, everybody, for coming and watching another terrible episode of me playing this game. If you enjoy it, come back for the next one. Hopefully, you know, it won't take me 2 months in between uploading all this stuff. Because I'm terrible and lazy. Bye-bye.